This video is for education only, not financial advice. Do your own research before investing. Ready to supercharge your charts with a simple two-step system? Today we're pairing low-S smoothing with ultimate RSI for rock-solid entries and exits. If you cringe at whipsaws and false breaks, this is your jam. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive in. Think of price action like a rocky road. The low-S indicator draws a smooth highway through those bumps, showing you the true trend. Technically, low-S fits mini regressions along the price to filter noise and highlight real moves. Rising low-S, line uptrend, falling low-S, line downtrend. Next, imagine a speedometer for market momentum that's ultimate RSI. It's a souped-up RSI that stays in overbought, oversold zones longer during strong moves, cutting out fake reversals. RSI above 50, bullish momentum. RSI below 50, bearish momentum, cross above 70. Strong uptrend, green highlight. Cross below 30, strong downtrend, red highlight. Before we dive into this powerful indicator combo, here's something crucial: your choice of broker. Right now, Market 101 is offering a massive 250% deposit bonus. Deposit $1,000 and you get at least $3,500 to trade with. This bonus is only available through my link below, and once you sign up, just message their support saying, "I want the deposit bonus." We've just added a brand new platform, MTX4, which is a fully compatible replica of MT4. It supports all expert advisors, EAs, and offers the same familiar user interface you're used to, making your transition absolutely seamless. So why Market 101? Ultra low spreads. Keep more of your profits. Lightning fast execution, no trade delays. Negative balance protection, your account won't. Go below zero, secure trading with link protection, high leverage options to boost your gains, flexible payments, quick deposits, withdrawals. Plus, you'll get access to pro tools, educational content, and real expert support. Click the link in the description, join Market 101, and grab your 250% bonus now. Using both indicators to confirm each other before we trade. The idea is simple. Only trade when low-S and ultimate RSI agree on the direction. This double check reduces false signals. Here's the step-by-step system. Confirm trend with low-S. First, look at the low-S line. Is it sloping up, often colored green? If so, we have an uptrend. If it's sloping down, red, we have a downtrend. Check momentum with ultimate RSI. Next, check the ultimate RSI. In an uptrend, we want RSI to be above 50 and ideally recovering from an oversold level. In a downtrend, we want RSI below 50 or falling from overbought. Remember, RSI above the middle line means bulls are in control, below means bears. Enter the trade. When both signals align, we take the trade. For a long trade, buy. Low-S must be up and RSI must be bullish, above 50 or breaking out of oversold. For a short trade, sell. Low-S down and RSI bearish below 50. So let's test this simple strategy with a quick backtest on gold using the 15-minute time frame. After running the backtest, the results are impressive. Win rate 73%, account gain 159%, risk per trade 2%. These backtesting results clearly show the potential profitability of this strategy, especially when you consider the favorable risk-to-reward ratios of 1.1 and 1.2. With a win rate as high as 73%, this strategy truly stands out. All right, traders, we've already backtested our simple strategy and it works. Now let's upgrade it with a pro-level twist. We're not changing the core setup, same indicators, same signals. The only difference? Stop loss placement. In the old version, your stop loss was below the swing low, which made it too wide and slow to hit targets. Now, check out gold on the 5-minute chart. The market breaks the recent swing high, that's your breakout line. Set your stop loss at the candle that breaks the swing, not below the swing. Yes, this will slightly reduce your win rate, but your profits will jump because the risk is smaller and targets like 1.3 become easier to hit. Smarter stop loss, bigger profits. Try this on your next trade and thank me later. All right, traders, now let's look at the sell setup using the same upgraded strategy. Just like the buy setup, the core indicators stay the same. We're only improving how we manage our stop loss. Let's take a look at gold on the 5-minute chart again. Here, the price breaks below the recent swing low. That's our key breakout signal. So what do? We enter a sell trade as soon as the breakout candle closes. Now comes the important part, top loss placement. Instead of placing it above the recent swing high, which gives a wide SL, you place your stop loss right above the breakout candle that broke the swing low. Why is this better? Because you're risking less. You don't have to wait forever to hit a 1.2 or 1.3 reward. And even with a slightly lower win rate, your profitability increases. Check this out in this sell trade. I easily secured a 1.25 risk to reward setup in just a few candles. This is how you trade smarter, not harder. Smaller stop loss, quicker profits, better returns. So let's put this advanced strategy to the test with a quick back test right now on gold using a 5-minute time frame. And the results? Honestly remarkable. Win rate, 56%, account gain, 250% risk per trade, just 2%. These backtesting results clearly show the profit potential of this strategy, especially when paired with a solid risk to reward ratio of 1.3 to even 1.5. That means even with a 56% win rate, this setup can seriously grow your account when applied with discipline and smart risk management. We just explored a powerful yet simple advanced trading strategy using 2 reliable indicators. With solid backtesting results, smart stop-loss placement, and a risk-to-reward ratio that can truly change the game. Remember, it's not just about winning every trade, it's about winning smart and managing your risk like a pro. So, if you found value in this video, smash that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful trading setups and strategies every single week. This is Power of Trading, helping you trade smarter, not harder. Until next time, trade safe, stay sharp, and keep growing your account.